Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. If the cost of dozen eggs is 61 rupee 80 paisa, then find the cost of an egg. Let's see the solution. The cost of 12 eggs. Here 12 means 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 12 eggs is equal to 61.80 rupees. Then the cost of one egg. To find the cost of one egg. So we know what 12 eggs cost. So 12 eggs cost is 61.80 rupees. So 61.80 rupees is divided by 12. Here first you remove the point, then you write the equation. 6180 by 12. 6180 by 12 is divided by 515 times. Here point is 2 digits before a point. So you put the 2 digits before a point. Then the cost is 5.15 rupees. The cost of one egg is 5.15 rupees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.